Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deactivate your Robinhood account. First, ensure your account balance is completely zero. This means selling all your investments, including stocks and options, and withdrawing all your cash. If you hold any cryptocurrency, you will need to transfer it to another wallet before proceeding. Making sure your account is empty is the crucial first step in the deactivation process. Before you proceed, it is important to understand that deactivating your Robinhood account is a permanent and irreversible action. You will not be able to recover your account once it is closed. We highly recommend downloading all your statements, trade confirmations, and tax documents for your personal records. Also, be mindful of any potential tax implications from selling your assets. Once your account balance is zero and you have downloaded all necessary documents, the next step is to contact Robinhood support. You can do this directly through the app or by visiting their official website. Clearly state your intention to deactivate your account. They will guide you through the final confirmation process and provide any additional instructions needed to complete the closure. After you have completed the deactivation steps with Robinhood support, monitor your email for a confirmation that your account has been successfully closed. It is wise to keep all your downloaded documents safe and accessible for future reference, especially for tax purposes. Remember, once deactivated, your account cannot be reopened. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.